welcome back to Spent2Much Diecast. What is going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel to all you crew members out there. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Spent2Much Diecast. Alrighty, so we're going to continue our theme of opening one of every vehicle. So I am starting to do some of my Porsches. So here is the first set that we're gonna do. All right, the Porsches are kind of weird because there's different versions of even the same car. For instance, this one here we're gonna do is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. And this is starting in 2016. There's another version, which is also the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, which is a different version. I believe this one was the 2011 version. So they're almost identical castings. Only difference is the spoiler. So they actually consider it two different castings. So today we're gonna start with the 2016. All right, so we're gonna do how we normally do it, and we'll go ahead, take a quick look at them, and then we'll put them on the turntable and get a better look at them. But basically, I have the whole set that has come out with these. There's only two that I'm missing. One of them I'll probably never get. In 2018, they did a Hot Wheel employee car. And then in 2020 or something, when I get to that card, I'll show you, but they did an exclusive with that one, which might possibly be able to get. But all right, so first one up we have is the yellow one, and then it goes to the green one, and then the white one, and then we have the Zamac, the purple. Like I said, you'll see all these on the turntable for a better look. And then they have this one here. This is the T-Fox. So there was a premium that they offered. They came in like an acrylic case and all that. That is the only one that I don't have, minus the employee car, which I'm sure I won't get. Then they did the yellow one. Then they had the Forenza in premium. Then we saw it as an ID. And then this one here is out of the Euro 6-pack. And then this one is the newest one from this year, 2023. This was a multi-pack exclusive. So now what we'll do is go ahead and take a look at them on the turntable, and hopefully you guys enjoy the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Alrighty, and first one up, 2016 mainline version from Hot Wheel Exotics. Seeing it first in the red color. Alrighty, second version, 2017 mainline Nightburners series. Seeing it in this nice green. First time seeing this with the GT3 RS on the side and the Porsche on the spoiler. We will see this in a couple different versions later on. And the third coloring is from 2018 mainline from the Then and Now series, going back to the solid color. Alrighty, and the fourth version, still from 2018. This is the Zamac version, part of the Then and Now series. First and only time seeing this is a Zamac so far. Alrighty, this thing also came out in 2018. This one was a employee exclusive. So you had to be an employee of Mattel to receive this. Not sure how many of these were offered or given out, but if you can get your hands on this one, it's a pretty cool casting. Alrighty, now in 2019, we have a mainline from the series Factory Fresh showing up in this purple color. Not a big fan of these wheels. Alright, then that same year, same series, they did release it as a Super Treasure Hunt. This is the only one, minus the employee and the T-Fox, that I'm missing from my collection. Alrighty, same year, this was the SSG T-Fox collaboration exclusive. It did come in a mystery box with a bunch of other T-Fox stuff. It is a diecast car, but there are plastic wheels on it. They did not add real riders, and it will vary a little bit different than the main line coming up next, minus the paint on the mirrors and some graphics on the back. Alrighty, then the next year, 2020, mainline version from Hot Wheels Exotic. This is the mainline version of the T-Fox Porsche. You can see there's a little bit of differences, not having the yellow mirrors, and there are no graphics on the back when the other one did have that. Alrighty, 2021, we saw this one from the Factory 500 HP. This was a Walmart set of 10 cars, going back to having the GT3 RS on the bottom and the Porsche logo on the spoiler. Alrighty, that same year, we saw it as a Hot Wheel Premium, part of the Replica Entertainment Forza Horizon 4. Now this one is metal car, metal base, and real riders. One of the only times seeing it as a premium. Still in the same year, we now see it as a Hot Wheels ID, part of the Hot Wheels Eurosport. So this one has the Spectral Flame Gold with the ID wheels and of course the ID chip in the bottom. Now in 2022, we are seeing this one part of the European car culture themed multi-pack. This was a 6-car set with all European vehicles. Alrighty, and this is from this year, 2023. We saw it as a multi-pack exclusive. It was the featured car in the 9-pack. Hopefully we'll see some more of this casting this year, maybe into next year, but one of my favorite Porsche castings right here. Alrighty, this one's just kind of a bonus. This one is from 2023 this year. This is the new Hot Wheels RC that came out. Not really part of this set. You can consider it a Porsche 911. It could either go with this one, the other set. But if you're a Porsche fan or collector, this is always a fun one to have in your collection. And you can also play with it since it's an RC. Thanks, crew. See you on the next unboxing.